Casey Sims, C-A-S-E-Y-S-I-M-S.
Aiden Simpson, A-I-D-E-N-S-I-M-P-S-O-N.
And if you could tell us where we are, where you were when the incident happened, and what the incident was.
So we are in Vista, California at the Vista skate park right now. And we were at my dad's shop, Vista Muffler, just around the corner. And I'd say it was about 3:30 to 5. Well, it was about 5 because you were here already.
I was here already.
So it was about 5 o'clock, and we heard a couple fireworks go off, nothing like crazy, and then we heard a really big one go off, and there was nothing going on. Like, we were like, okay, it's normal, it's been happening all week, and we're like, all right, well, maybe they'll stop soon. And then one last really big one went off, and we heard a kid scream, and somebody said, his hand, and as soon as somebody yelled, call 911, we saw two cars take off. Yeah, they took off around the corner. And then about 5 minutes later, we heard some more fireworks
down
get
the
launched
street
off.
a little bit, where they were heading.
And shortly after, the ambulance showed up and took him, but he ended up getting life flighted, and we don't really know what happened after that.
Yeah.
We think he's alert.
And what did the patient's condition look like to you when you first saw him? You said you were standing on those utility boxes when it happened.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
What did he look like to you?
He looked, at first, I think he panicked because he didn't really know what went on. All he saw was, I mean, I can't really speak for him because we were pretty far away. But it looked like he was panicking.
And because he did kind of panic a little bit, and he took his shirt off and wrapped his shirt around his hand, and so we couldn't really see after that what happened, and then he took off running into the skate park, so we couldn't really see after that what happened.
So you think the incident happened right here by this white van behind us?
Yes.
Oh yeah.
Do you think any of the damage to the white van could be from the explosive?
100%. Because the way it blew up,
there was car alarms going off way down the street.
Yeah, so I think, personally, I think they threw it in the van and then blew it up because it'll echo more. That's my personal opinion. I mean, it was a really big firework, so.
Yeah.
Do you know of any other children or adults that may have been injured that weren't transported or self-transported to the hospital?
No, there wasn't. We walked into the skate park actually and looked around and made sure nobody else was, and asked a couple people if the ambulance was on their way, and they all said yes. But he was the only kid that got hurt.
Yeah.
And the car shop has been here for how long?
Oh, God knows. Way before I was born, before my dad was born.
What's it like seeing something like this happen so close to it?
Well, honestly, ever since the skate park went in, it's been pretty rough. Like, there's stuff happening like this all the time. There's been shootings, and this is just another one of the incidents, so I don't want to say it's regular, but lately, since the skate park went in, it's been pretty regular.
And is it typical to hear fireworks, obviously this time of year with 4th of July coming up, is it typical to hear that increase around this time of year?
I would say yes, but this is the first time I've heard it in this area around this time.
All right, well, thank you very much. I appreciate it.